All right, welcome back. It has been a while, a couple months to say the least, but finally got some time. Going to do some work on this thing, see what I can get going here, and kind of need to revisit this thing. Probably going to watch some of my own old videos to see where I kind of left off, because it has been that long, literally. But it's just sitting here collecting some dust. Kind of turned into a catch-all for just miscellaneous stuff, but I'm gonna get back to it. So let's dive in.